Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if the settings app closes instantly, freezes, crashes while scrolling, or crashes when you open a specific section like Apple ID, Wi-Fi, battery, etc., don't worry. This is a known-ish iOS issue and it's usually software related and fixable. In iPhone settings 2026, crashes are commonly caused by corrupted preferences, iCloud and Apple ID sync bugs, bad updates, or system conflicts. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the settings app crashing on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So the common reasons settings keeps crashing: corrupted system preferences, Apple ID or iCloud sync loop, buggy iOS updates, low storage, screen time conflicts, VPN or MDM profiles, background system overload. Okay, so force close settings. So this is a quick refresh. So swipe up to open app switcher, find settings and swipe it away completely, then reopen settings. So this fixes minor UI crashes instantly. You can also restart your iPhone. Okay, so power off iPhone, wait 30 seconds and power it back on. This clears memory and background conflicts. You can also free up iPhone storage. So low storage causes settings crashes. Go to settings, go to general and go to iPhone storage. If storage is low, delete unused apps, remove large videos, offload apps temporarily. So keep at least 5 to 10 gigabyte free. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.